In this video, we will be doing two-word problems involving right triangles. Both of these are standard word problems in geometry. A 20-foot ladder rests against the wall. Its feet are 12 feet from the wall. How high up the wall is it? So we will start by drawing the ladder against the wall. It doesn't have to be completely to scale, but it helps to get it fairly to scale. So this is a 20-foot ladder, and its feet are 12 feet from the wall. So then it will go some amount up the wall. So 20 feet, then 12 feet here. And you'll notice this is a right triangle. This does not look immediately like a Pythagorean triple. However, if we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. If we divide 20 by 4, we get 5. And you can see this will be in the 3, 4, 5 family of right triangles. So then 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 4 is 20, and then 4 times 4 is 16. So the ladder will go 16 feet up the wall. And now on to the second question. A man drives 10 miles north, 25 miles west, then 4 more miles north, then another 23 miles west. How far is he from his starting point? So again, we're going to try and get this fairly to scale just so we can get an idea of what it looks like. So we go 10 miles north, then 25 miles west, then another 4 miles north, then another 23 miles west. From there, we can see this there. You'll notice this is not a right triangle. However, if we go that way, and we go that way, that is a right triangle. And then we can put the hypotenuse here. And this just makes it easier to see everything. So then he's gone 10 miles north and 4 miles north, so 14, and then 25 miles west and 23 miles west. So that's a total of 48 miles west. Again, this is not immediately one of the Pythagorean triples you should know. However, if we divide 48 by 2, we get 24. And if we divide 14 by 2, we get 7. So this will be a 7, 24, 25 triangle. And then 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 24 is 48, and then 2 times 25 is 50. So he will be 50 miles from where he started. So again, it is really good to know your Pythagorean triples very, very well. We're putting up a link to another video where we go through Pythagorean triples and then 30, 60, 90, and 45, 45, 90 triangles much more in depth. If you can get all of the Pythagorean triples and your other special triangles memorized, it will serve you very, very well going forward and save you a lot of time. And it will also help on the ACT and SAT. As always, do these several times, conquer them, and then you can move on.